I stopped using these because I have no idea what is in them. If I knew how easy this was to make, I would have done it a long time ago. This literally only has 3 ingredients. You can make it in 10 minutes. It's going to save you money and you're going to know exactly what is on your dishes. And this recipe is a must try. You need distilled water, table salt, essential oil optional, Sal Suds, and a container. You put 1 cup of distilled water and you're going to microwave it till it's warm. This is an important step. 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, depending on how thick you want it. 2 teaspoons is thick. I have a list of the natural cleaning recipes. I'll leave in the description. But if you found value and you enjoyed this, give me a like. I would love to know. Okay, just dissolve that salt into the water really good, and then you're going to add a cup of Sal Suds. Now, if you have any Sal Suds left over, it's an excellent cleaner, and it's going to go a long way. I use it so much. You're going to add some essential oil. It's optional, but noted, if you use a colored one like orange, it's going to turn it slightly orange colored. Just put as much as you think you want in the scent. Stir that up really good and you'll start to see how it thickens. And look how thick this is. It really does a great job. It's super sudsy. Talk about cutting grease. You will not be lacking in any cleaning power with this Super Suds recipe. And I just feel really good knowing what is on my dishes and what I'm wiping my countertops with. And look, just look at that. Video helpful, and I'll see you next week. Bye.